Welcome to BizListings, Australia's first choice when selling your business online. Have you decided to sell your business but can't justify the thousands of dollars in upfront broker fees and commissions? Is your broker simply not generating the leads your business deserves? It's time to fire the broker and sell your business privately at BizListings. After all, there is no one better to sell your business than you. Thanks to the power of the internet, business owners are now cutting out the middleman, the broker, and can advertise their business for sale directly on websites such as BizListings. BizListings is the faster, easier, and cheapest way to sell your business in today's marketplace. In only 2 simple steps, your business will be under the noses of thousands of potential buyers within minutes. Choose a package from our Seller Business page here. Complete your listing details and submit. Photos and additional information can be uploaded from within your member's account after your listing has been approved. We use the most trusted payment gateway in the world, PayPal, also allowing you to make payment via Visa or MasterCard. BizListing works on iPhone, iPad, and Android devices, giving potential buyers the best possible experience when browsing our listings. Long gone are the days of potential buyers picking up the local newspaper or magazine when searching to buy a business. These days, 98% of buyers will start their search online. Take advantage of BizListing's search engine dominance. Create your advertisement today and sell your business fast.